Welcome to Dreamland Kids. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for horse. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jar. Jar. K is for key. Key. L is for lemon. Lemon. M is for moon. Moon. N is for nuts. Nuts. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pencil. Pencil. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for star. Star. T is for towel. Towel. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for watch. Watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yoga. Yoga. Z is for zoo. Zoo.